Hello there, welcome to Synconics. So in this video we will see the functionality of call for tenders. So basically it is a tender process where we want to ask for a product price from multiple vendors. Okay, so first of all we will go to settings, and we are showing you that we are using Odoo version 13 Enterprise Edition. Alright, so we will go to purchase, then configuration of purchase, and then we will go to settings. Now here under this orders tab you can see the option purchase agreements, right, that manage your purchase agreements, call for tenders and blanket orders. So we will enable this option. Okay, and now as you can see that in the configuration there is one menu, that is purchase agreement type. So we will click on that. So there are basically two types of purchase agreements by default provided by Odoo 13, that is call for tender and blanket order, right? So this is basically the configuration for call for tender. All right, so now you can select here multiple options like agreement selection type, that is select only from one request for quotation, that is exclusive way, and select multiple requests for quotations. Among this data for new quotations, so here we can define options for lines, that is use lines of agreement and do not create request for quotation lines automatically. Or for the quantities also we can select multiple options, that is use quantities of agreement or else set quantities manually, right? So like this you will be able to configure these call for tender related purchase agreement types. Now we will go to orders, and then you can see purchase agreements. All right, now we will create one purchase agreement. So as you can see that in this agreement type, so basically when it will be like call for tender, then vendor selection is not necessary over here. But if you will change it to blanket order, then as you can see that vendor selection is mandatory here. So we will select again call for tender. Okay, and we will make one tender. So agreement deadline will be 7th of March, ordering date is 28, delivery date will be also 28, and here you can also provide source document, right? Here you can provide different operation types, and here for multi-company scenario you can also provide your company information. All right, so we'll select one product here. So basically I am defining this tender for 1000 quantity, and you can also set particular unit price also, right? Now here I will save this and confirm. So as you can see that after confirming this tender, there is now any kind of request for quotations are created. So we will go to new quotation and we'll create one, that is for Azure Interior. So he's providing for $50 including tax. All right, we'll create another one, that is Andy, and he is providing like $40 including tax. All right, now we will create a third one, that will be Azure Interior Nicole Ford. So he is providing like $38, okay, including taxes. All right, now basically three types of purchase quotations are made, and if you want to ask them for price confirmations to your vendors, you can simply click on send by email, and here there is one default template is provided by Odoo 13, so you can send them this purchase quotation also to your vendors. All right, now we will go to this particular agreement, and as you can see that there are three requests for quotations are made. So let's see that one is made for 38, one is made for $40, and third one is made for $50. So among these you can see that $38 price is the lowest price. So I will simply confirm this order and receive products. All right, validate it, this shipment, and done. This shipment is done. So when I will go again with this tender process, so as you can see that I have confirmed this purchase order, right? So you can be able to discard or see cancel this remaining purchase quotations, this one and this one. So the status will be like this. Among these three purchase quotations, you have confirmed this purchase quotation and confirmed this purchase, or confirmed it to this purchase order, and then shipment is done. Okay, so I will come again on this tender and validate it. So like this, the stage you can see that it is now bid selection. All right, and if you want to close this particular call for tender record, you can also close this, and after close it will be at closed state. So like this you will be able to create tenders for asking price for a product among different vendors, and for the further process you can move ahead. So this is about all the functionality for purchase agreements, that is call for tenders. Thank you for watching.